Well, hi everyone. I said I'd come back after I'd actually straightened up everything. So this is still work in progress really, because these are the things I want to have a go at. And the ones that are all inside there are the ones I use the most. And them are the brushes I use the most as well there. These are the things what I've been playing about with. And these, people ask me how I stick these, where are we? Those, how I stick the nails to these stands. And these are what I use. They're from any stations, and you just pop them out. They're sticky both sides, and away you go. So that's what I actually use. And I've also had one of my big boxes with all the things that I use most there. And then those are all lint-free wipes. Those mainly are painting brushes and hand cream and a few dapping dishes with glitter in. So all this was cleared, as you can see. Just a few odds and ends on there. And well, you saw the drawers in that one. All I've done is just straighten them up really. But this was absolutely covered with boxes and stuff. So now, as you can see, it's all tidy. I didn't show you these drawers last time, but they're all straight. That's one of them. And there's a big drawer underneath. Those things at the top are to do with flower making, which one of these days I shall have a go at. And then also, this is all for ribbons. When I make different sorts of ribbons. And the bottom drawer is all acrylic powders in there. So at least I know who's who and what's what. So that's that one. So as you saw from this, I mean this was a right mess. So I've got rid of a load of boxes. Obviously you can't get rid of everything. So there's acrylic still in there and crystals in that one. And as you can see, it's all pretty tidy now. And those two are full as well. Mostly they've got the flower to do with all the flowers. So as we come round, that's the walking machine that we use in winter. And this you saw was my rainbow. Sorry about that. You can always guarantee that either the mobile phone goes off or the house phone goes off. Anyway, where was I? So in this top drawer now, as you can see, it is absolutely jam-packed full. Now these are Madam Glam. So I've got all Madam Glams in that one. And in this one, that's the rest. There's still a bit of space there of the Madam Glam. Every colour you could think of really. In there. Then this one. These are all Naios on there. So at least I know who's who. Easily found. And this one is all to do with the 3D, 4D hard gel. And then these here are the builder gels in a bottle. I keep them there because that's what I use on my own nails. So at least I know then where it is. But mainly that's the hard gels. This one is all the polygel, different sorts. The back there, it's Kira Sky dipping system with everything with that. And like I say, that's all different polygel in there. In this one, there's glitters. Oh god, yeah, glitters and bits of this and bits of that. So I just took different things out. There's brushes and stuff as well in there. Then this one's all decals mainly. There's a bit of glitter there and a bit of glue, but mainly they are decals. And as you can see, this is how these things come in a packet. I think they're only £1. I don't do any more. Just stick on your doobies. And the last one is my files and a few odds and ends. There's a little LED lamp there and just little odds and ends. But I've managed to fill it, and all the drawers and everything else fit lovely. And where everything was up this corner, my little stool, everything else has all gone, which is lovely. So coming back, that's how I am now. So hopefully I can stay this straight. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this of my little space, and hopefully see you in my next. Bye.